Hello, I'm Amiga Rob. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Well, most YouTube channels, I guess, try and tell you how amazing they are. Well, my YouTube channel is different because I deliberately try and make my YouTube videos as boring and as tedious as possible. I don't see the point in trying. So, you will find on my channel lots of really stuff you might find interesting, stuff that might just help you fall asleep. This is probably the worst effort at a green screen you'll ever see on a YouTube channel. I'm not even sure what I'll put here. Anyway, if you want to be alerted whenever I do a new video, you may be surprised to find out that you can push the subscribe button somewhere. And if you click the bell, you'll be notified whenever I put a new video up as well. I think it comes up on your phone or something. I should say, I don't really like new technology. Technology for me is a necessary evil. Often gets in your way of doing things and can be very frustrating. So I'll be doing reviews of stuff, unboxing of stuff, looking at a lot of Amiga stuff because I like Amigas. Well, I say I like Amigas because you can't really do anything useful with them anymore, but I'll be looking at some of the stuff and being bitter about Amigas no longer being, How long are these things supposed to be? Because I feel like I'm wittering on a bit. Hang on, I'm just going to get another cracker. I've got 3 actually. Some of the ones in there taste a bit like stuffing. Oh, it's not my green screen falling over, is it? Anyway. This is my punchy intro video. Lots of good stuff coming. I appreciate anyone that watches anything. Not have the right top on for this. So yeah, I'll catch you on my channel.